Hey Curly Tees, I am on a backup microphone, so excuse me if the audio is a little different. But anyway, we're gonna push through. Today we're making a golden 4-root gel with 4 great roots, which are said to help promote hair strength and help retain length. First up, burdock root. Next is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha root is thought to strengthen the hair at the root. We all love marshmallow root for its scent and its ability to improve the shine and strength of the hair. Foti root or 何首乌.
何首乌，何首乌，何首乌。
Anyway, Foti root is said to help fight premature graying. Once all the herbs are added, cover with about 2 cups of hot water. Using 2 cups will ensure that there's enough infused tea to work with. I'm agitating the tea to help the process along before allowing it to sit. Now these are roots, so you may want to let this sit overnight in the refrigerator, or if you are so inclined, you can go ahead, place this into a small saucepan and let it boil for about 10 minutes or so. To strain, I'm using a muslin cloth tea bag. By now, the tea either should be only slightly warm or room temperature. The marshmallow root should have made the tea slightly thicker than water. Now this is not a custard. It is a real gel. So please use an additional leave-in conditioner or oils to help moisturize your hair. That's it, guys. Enjoy your golden Foti Root gel. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.